perimeter and area. Perimeter and area of rectangle and square, area of parallelogram and triangle, circumference and area of circle, unit conversion. Perimeter and area. In class 6, you have already learnt perimeters of plane figures and areas of squares and rectangles. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, whereas area is the part of plane occupied by the closed figure. We have learned how to find perimeter and area of a square and rectangle in the earlier class. Perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into length of AB plus length of BC. Area of a rectangle ABCD is equal to length of AB into length of BC. Area of square is equal to side into side. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its perimeter and its area. The piece of land is rectangular. Hence, the perimeter of piece of land is 2 into its length plus its breadth. That is 2 into bracket 500 plus 300 is equal to 1600 meter. The area of piece of land will be its length into its breadth. That is 500 into 300 is equal to 1,50,000 square meter. The length of one side of this square-shaped garden is 350 meter. Find its perimeter and its area. As we know, perimeter of a square will be 4 into side, and hence perimeter of square garden will be 4 into 350. We get perimeter of garden is 1400 meter. And area of a square is side into side. Hence, area of square garden will be 350 into 350. We get area of garden is 1,22,500 square meter. A door frame of dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter is fixed on the wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of the wall is rupees 2.50 per square meter. Solution. Painting of the wall has to be done excluding the area of the door. The frame is in rectangular shape, hence area of the door is equal to length into breadth. The area of frame is 6 meters square. Now wall is in square shape, hence total area of wall including door is side into side. The area of wall is 100 meters square. We need the area of wall excluding door, that is into bracket 100 minus 6 is equal to 94 meters square. Total labor charges for painting the wall is rupees 2.50 into 94 comes to rupees 235. A rectangular park is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. Now find the area of the path. Let ABCD represent the rectangular park and the shaded region represent the path 2.5 meter wide. Let us consider PQRS is outer rectangle. To find the area of the path, we need to find area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. Consider outer rectangle PQRS. Length of PQ will be 50 meter and length of PS will be 35 meter. Now area of inner rectangle ABCD is 45 into 30 meters square is equal to 1350 meters square. And area of the outer rectangle PQRS is 50 into 35 meters square comes to 1750 meters square. To find the area of path, we have to subtract area of rectangle ABCD from area of rectangle PQRS. Hence, 1750 minus 1350 is equal to 400 meters square is the area of the path. Now this is a shape of parallelogram. We call it as parallelogram ABCD. In this parallelogram ABCD, DE is the perpendicular to opposite side AB. Here, AB is the base and DE is the height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Find the area of this parallelogram PQRS. As we have given height and base, length of shown parallelogram, and we know area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, we can easily find out its area. This is triangle PQR. The area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Find the area of the following triangle PQR shown. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into its base into its height. Base of triangle PQR is QR and height is PS. If performing calculation, we get area of triangle 4 cm square. All the congruent triangles are equal in area, but the triangles equal in area need not be congruent. The two sides of the parallelogram ABCD are 6 cm and 4 cm. The height corresponding to the base CD is 3 cm. Find the 1. Area of the parallelogram. 2. The height of corresponding to the base AD. Solution. We have a formula to find the area of parallelogram. Therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD is base into its height. Now the base DC is 6 cm and according to base DC, height is 3 cm. We get area of parallelogram 18 cm square. To find the height into corresponding to the base AD, again use the formula of area of parallelogram. Now we have area of parallelogram 18 cm square. Base 4 cm and height x cm. If we perform calculation, we get x is equal to 4.5 cm. That is, the height corresponding to the base AD is 4.5 cm. Circumference and area of circle. The distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. If r is radius of the circle, circumference of a circle will be 2 pi r or pi d, where d is the diameter of a circle and pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14 approximately. The area of a circle will be pi r square. Sudhanshu divides a circular disc of radius 7 cm in two equal parts. What is the perimeter of each of semicircular shaped disc? If observe this circular disc, this is the circumference of the circular disc and this is circumference divided in two equal parts. If Sudhanshu cut this disc through its diameter, the perimeter of semicircular disc will be half circumference plus diameter. It means to find the perimeter of the semicircular disc, we need to find diameter and circumference of semicircular shape. We have given radius r is equal to 7 cm. And we know that diameter of a circle is twice of radius. Hence, d is equal to 2r. And we get d is equal to 14 cm. Now the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. If we put the values of pi and r, we get circumference 44 cm and half of circumference will be 22 cm. As we have already seen, perimeter of a semicircular disc is the sum of half circumference and diameter. We get perimeter of a semicircular disc 36 cm. Find the circumference and area of a circle of radius 30 cm. This circle is of radius r is equal to 30 cm. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. If we put the value of radius and the value of pi, we get circumference 188.4 cm. Now the area of the circle is pi r square. Putting the values of pi and r, we get area of 2826 cm square. Conversion of units. 1 cm square is equal to 100 into 1 millimeter square. We know 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. As 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, we can write 1 meter into 1 meter as 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. It is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. 1 hectare is equal to 100 into 100 meters square is equal to 10,000 meters square. When we convert a unit of area to a smaller unit, the resulting number of units will be bigger. For example, 4 centimeters square is equal to 4 into 100 millimeters square is equal to 400 millimeters square. But when we convert a unit of area to a larger unit, the number of larger units will be smaller. Summary. 1. Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, whereas area is the part of plane occupied by the closed figure. 2. We have learnt how to find perimeter and area of a square and rectangle in the earlier class. They are A. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. C. Area of a square is equal to side into side. D. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 3. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. 4. Area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket area of the parallelogram generated from it is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 5. The distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. 6. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. 7. Conversion of units for area. So that is all in this topic. It's really fun. Enjoy mathematics.